Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and you're watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for Us All. Welcome to this segment once again, which we call Cooking Made Simple. So these are the simple cooking dishes that I have learned over a long time, shall we say, from my mum and also my time at university. So today it's going to be a spaghetti based dish. So that spaghetti has been boiled. Then we've got some other ingredients over here: 5 eggs, cheddar cheese. We will need some milk. We have some sauces here that are going to go into the spaghetti. We have some potatoes here which I've started to mash, so we're going to mash that fully, and spices will go into we have some onions over here as well, which we've already started, and they're starting to brown. Okay, and over here we have some parsley, and we have some spring onion. So we're going to add the spices to the onions and let those cook away. Give that a good stir. Okay, so we'll leave those to cook then. So as always with these dishes, we're going to put it on in layers. The tomatoes are quite hard, so I'm going to put that as the first layer. Okay, so the next thing to do is to add some sauces to the spaghetti. So as I said, this has already been boiled. It was boiled for about 10 minutes. So we're going to add some sauces to that, and then that is going to form the next layer. Our first sauce that the kiddies like is chili sweet sauce. So as per taste. I'm going to put some soya sauce on that. Plenty of it. And we're going to give that a good toss and turn so that it's absorbed. So we have to put that into there. So hopefully that will go straight in. Okay. So add a final bit dollop of the sauces. So our onion is ready over here now, and we're going to add that as the next layer. So the next thing to do is to prepare the egg mixture that is going to go into the bake. So firstly we need to crack the eggs. There are our 5 eggs. We're going to add a few things now. We're going to add the milk. Can we have a full glass in there, please? Full glass, full cup. That will do. Okay, we've got some spices, and I will explain what we've got over there. We've got parsley and spring onions. So the milk has gone in. Give that a bit of a whisk. Adding the spices now. Give that a whisk. Some of it I had cut, but we've got a little bit of spring onion to cut there. That goes in. So here we have some parsley and more spring onions. The herbs are of your choice. So we're going to put that to one side, viewers, and show you the next thing to prepare.
Shall I put it in there?
So we're going to put the milk in now, viewers, into this, and we're going to mash that, and also add some garam masala. So the garam masala has gone on now, viewers, and we're going to give that a mash. So the potatoes have been mashed, the garam masala has been mixed, and we're going to add that as another layer. So the mash has been spread as a layer, viewers. So now what we're going to do is going to add the egg mixture that we prepared earlier. Spread that all over. So the egg mixture with the herbs has been added to our spaghetti egg bake dish, which just remains for the cheese to be added as a top layer. And there is our dish ready to be put into the oven. So we're going to put that into the oven for about 35 minutes, viewers, and we will visit then. So our dish is in the oven now, viewers, and we will give that 30 or 35 minutes. I think it's a good idea to turn it around halfway as well. So we're going to shut the oven and revisit in 30 minutes. There is our final product, viewers, spaghetti egg bake. Okay, so we're going to try a little bit so that we can see.
Take it out.
Okay, so now for the taste test. Yeah, I think most of the things are nicely done. That is lovely. So there we have it, viewers. Spaghetti egg bake. I think I forgot to mention the spices that we used, but it was the usual salt, pepper, chili flakes, garam masala, and also fenugreek, and there's methi. So I do hope you will try my recipe, viewers. So until the next time, I say thank you for watching. Please keep watching. So until the next time, I say goodbye. Look after yourselves. Look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज.